So, hi friends. In this session, I'm going to explain what is a GitHub. Okay. So, what is a GitHub? So, in high level, GitHub is a nothing but it is a one website, and it is a cloud-based service. Okay, it is a one website and cloud-based service. Mostly, this GitHub helps a developer to store and manage their code, as well as they track and control the changes to their code. To understand exactly what is a GitHub, okay, we need to know two concept, two principle, okay, two connected principle. One is a version control. One is a version control, another is a git. Sorry. So here the one is a version control, another is a git. So in this session, I will first explain these two principle, then we will dig into more about the GitHub and how we can actually use the GitHub to work with some WordPress. Uh, okay. So let me explain about what is a version control here. Okay, what is a version control first? So in this version control, what is a version control? So version control is nothing but it mostly helps the developer to track and manage the changes to the software project code. So as a software project grows, this version control become a very essential. Okay, for example, take the WordPress. So at this point, WordPress is a very pretty and big project. Okay, for example, if the code developer wanted to work on one specific part of the WordPress, okay, WordPress code base, so it would not be safe for or efficient to have them directly edit the official source code. So I'll show you WordPress. So this is a project, WordPress project. This is a very big project. So so like instead of version control, let's developer safely work through the branching and merging. Okay, this is a branching. Okay, this is a master branch, this is a future branch. Okay, so with this branching, a developer can duplicate the part of the source code. This master branch is the source code. So by creating this branching, developer can easily duplicate the part of the source code. So here developer can then safely make the changes to the part of the code without affecting the rest of the project. So then once the developer get his and her part of the code working properly, then he or she can merge the code back into the main source code to make it the official. Okay, so all these changes are then tracked and can be reverted if any needed. So this is the version control. So so we have explained the first one, version control. Next I'm going to explain the what is a git. So git, sorry. So git is nothing but Git is a specific open source version control system. It is mostly created with the author Linus Torvald in 2005. Especially this Git is a one distributed version control system. Uh, distributed version control system. So distributed version control system means that entire code base and the history is available on every developer's computer. So this is a distributed version control system, allows for easily branching and merging. Okay, so this is a, so after that, what is a GitHub? So what is a GitHub? So GitHub is a, like it is a for profit company. So this is a GitHub. This is a one profit company that this website mostly offer the cloud-based Git repositories and hosting services. So it is essentially it makes a lot easier for individuals and team to use Git for version control and collaborations. This is a GitHub interface. It is a very user friendly enough, so even novice coder can take the advantage of Git without the GitHub. So using this Git generally require the bit more technical and use of the some command lines. So this is a GitHub. It's so user friendly, though some peoples even use a GitHub to manage the other type of the projects also. Additionally, anyone can use a sign up and host the public code repositories for free here. So it is make the GitHub especially popular with the open source project. So this is a company. GitHub make actually, as a company, GitHub is a make the money by selling hosted private code repositories as well as the other business focused plans that make it easier for organization to manage the team members and securely. So we utilize this Git eh, extensively to manage and develop the internal projects. Okay, this is a, so here it gives a basic understanding of what is a GitHub interface look like. Here is the, this is the WordPress code. Okay, here from here we can view and various branches, we can view various branches that are being worked on, as well as when someone made a commit, depending on the how the repository is set up. And you also might be able to create your own branch and make your own commit there. So, and once you make some changes, you could submit the code back to the project branch by making the pull requested. Okay, a pull request is like basically asking to the person to change of the branch including your code. And also, it is helps that a person see exactly what you have changed in that code. So if you wanted to edit some or all the WordPress source code on your own account on a more permanent basic, you could also fork. You could also fork by clicking the fork button. Okay, this is fork is nothing but is similar in concept to the branch, but fork is more permanent. Okay, here. So this is about the GitHub. So we'll explain more in detail with the practical in the next session. Okay. Thank you for joining class. Thank you.